This BMORE Lifestyle segment is sponsored by Orthopedics Associates of Central Maryland.
Hello from the Orthopedic Associates of Central Maryland. A lot of folks can relate to knee and hip arthritis or injuries. We're going to learn today from Dr. Joseph Serino how exercise and nutrition can help immensely. Dr. Serino, thank you for having us out.
Thanks so much for having me.
So many folks have these things. What should we know in terms of exercise, nutrition, how that can help?
Sure. So diet and exercise can really be beneficial for patients with hip or knee arthritis, really at any stage. And that's true for patients who are preparing for a hip or knee replacement, but also for patients who are trying to avoid a hip or knee replacement. There's really not much we can do to reverse the cartilage loss that we see in arthritis, but exercise can certainly help us maximize the function of our joints. Exercise can help maintain range of motion, maintain healthy and build stronger muscles, and improve the stability of our joints. So for patients with hip or knee arthritis, that can mean decreasing pain, decreasing stiffness, and it can help them overcome a lot of the really challenging functional limitations that they face. And along with diet and exercise certainly comes weight management. Studies have found that even a modest amount of weight loss can dramatically decrease the forces across the hip or knee. And so what that means for patients with arthritis is less pain, slower progression of arthritis, and in some cases may even help eliminate the need for a joint replacement in the future.
Should that surgery be necessary? And hopefully for so many folks it's not, but for many it is. How does the exercise and nutrition, how does it help that prior to surgery?
Diet and exercise are some of the best and most modifiable risk factors that we have. And so exercise before surgery is something we often call prehabilitation, focuses on maintaining muscle and range of motion to help with the recovery process and healing after surgery. And then for nutrition, studies have really found a surprisingly high number of patients undergoing joint replacement have some degree of malnutrition. And that's been directly linked to complications like infection, wound healing issues, and a prolonged recovery. So for my patients, I really focus on three areas. And the first is glucose control. Especially for the diabetic patients, this is a really important thing to keep a close eye on to reduce the risk of complications. The second one is getting enough protein intake. That's important to support healthy muscles and healing after surgery. And then the last one is vitamin D. And vitamin D deficiency is incredibly common and can be corrected, but if left uncorrected, can lead to complications after surgery like pain, infection, and potentially even loosening of the implants.
What's it mean to help the patients and know that you've got these, either A, helping them not have to get surgery, or should they get surgery and helping them feel better, big picture down the road? How does it make you and your team feel?
It's what gets me up every morning. The best part of my day is seeing patients back after the first time I met them, and whether we treated them without surgery or whether we treated them with surgery, seeing them get better is what got me into this field and what certainly keeps me going.
If folks want to learn more about how you all could help them, what should they know?
Sure. So there's two ways to make appointments with us. It's usually not hard to get in within a day or two. MD Bone Docs is our website. They can make an appointment there, or they can call 410-644-1880.